Today, please follow me to visit our steel strip factory. We set up this factory on 2003. There are 4 lines in this area. Please follow me to visit our workshop now. You can see so many trucks here. We deliver the goods to the port today, about 400 tons. You can see our truck deliver on the Okay, come with me to see the production line for the galvanized. They are our galvanized steel strip production line. Firstly, you can see 2 spot fitting machines over there. You guys can see here. This is the start of the production line. This is the raw material for the rails. They can spot 2 fitting machines over there. Then up. Firstly, we will clean some impurities of the surface. Then annealing the coils. All these are our raw materials we prepare to produce. This part is called the zinc layer. We can do the coating from 30 to 300 grams per square meter. This part is our tension leveler that will make the surface smoother and flatter. This is the coiling part. This is the whole process for the galvanized steel strip production. After coiling, we will put the coil here for 24 hours to check the temperature. Also, we will do some inspect to test the coil is okay or not. No zinc peeling off from this side. We make too many shapes. After 24 hours cooling, we will package the coils. This is our export package. We use the waterproof paper and very thin plastic film. We forbid some water and rusting during the transportation. For the galvanized, we have 2 options. One is mill edge. You can see 2 coils. We will pack it directly and send it to our customer. The other one is slit edge. You can see the slit edge is very smooth, and we will put it together for so many small strips. The range we can produce for the widths from 28 to 875 millimeters. Behind me, all this our stock. They prepare to export. You can see the trucker deliver the goods. This is the label we normally use. We will mark size, coil number, standing, and end use. Especially, I want to introduce this QR code. If you scan the code, you can get all the information for this coil. Okay guys, this is our production line for galvanized. We're looking forward to your orders.